Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a stunning portfolio website using WordPress in 2025. Whether you are a designer, photographer, writer, or any other creative professional, a portfolio website is essential to showcase your work. Let's dive into the step-by-step success process. First of all, you will need to set up your WordPress website. Head over to wordpress.com or wordpress.org for self-hosted sites. For beginners, I recommend using wordpress.com. Sign up for an account and pick a domain name for your website. Once that's done, you will be directed to the WordPress dashboard where all the magic happens. Next, let's choose a theme. A theme controls how your website looks and feels. In the left-hand menu, go to Appearance, then Themes, then click on Search Bar or Install New Theme. Here you can search for theme tailored specially for portfolio. Some great free options are Astra, Hezitia, or Neve. Select a theme you like. You can search from here. Portfolio. Select a theme you like and click install or activate. Then don't worry about getting it perfect right away. We can customize it later. Now that we have activated your theme, it's time to customize. Go to Appearance, then Customize in the WordPress dashboard. Here, upload your logo, set your site title, change colors to match your branding, select fonts that reflect your style. You will also want to adjust the home page layout. Most portfolio themes allow you to showcase your projects in a clean, grid style format. Play around with these settings until you are happy with the look. Now let's add some of your portfolio pieces. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Portfolio, then Add New. Here you can title your project, add descriptions, upload images or videos to showcase your work. Make sure to use high quality images as your portfolio is all about visual appeal. If you are a photographer, for example, display full-size images with captions explaining your process. Once you have added a project, click Publish. Next, let's create a portfolio page where all your projects will be displayed. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, then Add New, then give a title like Portfolio. This will automatically display all the portfolio projects you have added earlier. You can adjust the layout of this page, such as choosing between a grid or a list of your work. Some themes offer custom blocks for portfolios, making it even easier to display your projects beautifully. Once you are satisfied, hit publish. To take your portfolio to the next level, consider adding some plugins. Plugins are small tools that add extra functionality to your WordPress site. Go to plugins from here, then add new or search for plugin like Elementor for drag and drop pages, page building, and Vera gallery to create beautiful images, image gallery, WP form to add a contact form. Once you find a plugin you like, click install now and then activate. Before we warp, let's do a final check. Preview your portfolio site by clicking preview. In the top right corner, of your dashboard, this allows you to see how everything looks before you publish it to world. Make sure everything's aligned, your images look great, and the text is easy to read. You can always go back and edit pages, portfolio, projects. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.